Kate! 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 Who is that? What is that? Kate! Who is
my father's house? Yes. I'm the landlord of this house. Wow.
Hi.
Who are you and what happened to him?
Are you going to stand there and ask who I am, or you're going to show me to his room? This one man is up. Babe, calm down.
Wait, let me.
Which way?
Wait, come this way. This boy won't kill me.
Alright, so, please. Please hold on.
Thank you for bringing him home, but who are you, please?
Sophia, his fiancée.
Fiancé? Did you just say?
Do you want me to repeat myself? Listen, I'm in no mood for necessary questions. So please, can you just...
There's no way I'm leaving him here with a stranger. I don't know who you are or what you think you're doing, but I'm staying.
You're not.
I can't leave my son here.
No, you're not.
No, I can't. Okay, stop. I'll go.
Okay, just go.
If anything happens to my son, you'll have me to contend with.
Nothing will happen to him. He'll be right. He'll be fine. Don't worry, baby. She's gone, alright? She's gone. Sweet boy.
Someone who cared for you. You treat them in a wrong way. One person brings quiet and peace. You bring trouble every day. A soft heart you keep hurting. You don't mind how deep it feels. Every time you shout or act, you break the little piece that's real. It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first, while you acting cold and worse. It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. The way you treat people wrong feels like dark on every side. A heart that could be soft and warm now hides the pain inside. Someone who never harmed you. You push them like they're nothing. Your heart turned hard too fast, and now the hurt keeps coming. It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt.
Jonathan must come back. Come back here! Where you dey go? Where you carry your two left leg waka go this morning? How you even take comot for this gate? Who open gate for you? On whose order?
See Mumu. I bet which kind Mumu question they ask you this early morning. So if Madam and Oga come outside now, they hear this rubbish way they talk come out for Mati, go they proud, Abi? You go just they sleep, they snore anyhow like pig. Where you be actually, Sha? You don't even know when somebody go enter inside house, rob everybody for this house.
Come on, shut up your mouth also. You dey craze. This is now when you talk now, it makes sense for your mouth. How you go even think that person fit enter this house thief anything? You don't ever hear them when me CSO dey here.
They find turkey for inside stew, but we can say how almost catch up. How they not go rob the house? Not be as you be so. I beg move forward. I don't get out of this rubbish.
Hey, ma, tell you get wetin we dey talk, eh? Leg where they waka waka, eye where they waka waka they see am. I know say very soon we go hear results. Continue.
No, now which kind of rubbish be this one now? Which kind of rubbish be this one now? You blind? You know say na early morning market and they come from this early morning. I mean, not disturb me. If not open mouth to the chop, you go just the chop anyhow. No, you know the sea road. Nonsense. Come inside kitchen again now.
Don't use my guy to see us, so. Come on, very soon. Please go.
Someone who cared for you, you treat them in a wrong way. One person brings quiet and peace. You bring trouble every day. A soft heart you keep hurting. You don't mind how deep it feels. Every time you shout or act, you break the little piece that's real. It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you acting cold and worse? It's a good fight, but not right.
I mean, now you chop this thing.
And who are you to question me?
But why you go chop person something now without you know go even ask whether you fit chop am or not?
I suspect you're the mage. Aren't you?
I bet you be. Yes, ma'am.
So does that give you the right to question people as you like?
What who you be?
Who I be?
Yes.
Alright, that's by the way. I need you to make something really spicy for hangover, please.
I don't understand you. I don't understand.
Are you daft? By chance? Like, daft? Answer me now. Are you daft?
No.
Alright. You understand English, right?
Yes.
Alright, look at me. Make something spicy for hangover. I don't want my baby to wake up hungry. Please, get to it already. Color what?
Monica! Polycarp! Polycarp!
What's it happen?
Polycarp!
Why you be say I no go drink water? What pour for you for this house?
She be you dey here. You see that I change waka from here. I say make I enter my kitchen, go do my thing for inside kitchen. I go see one woman wey resemble wetin I no understand for inside there. Who be that person? How you enter my kitchen?
So you no see them yesterday night when they enter? Now I think say you see them o. Na that girl carry Oga pikin, Brian. come back house yesterday night. That one Kukuma don't drink, forgetting sense for road. So now she carry and come back house.
Oh, but why Oga Brian would they do like that now, eh?
Sister, if you ask
Why
me.
would they behave like that every time? I go just carry person wey person no even know, just enter inside house like that. That one day for my kitchen. They order me around, they tell me, can you make something spicy and nice for hangover? I say na she be my Oga.
No vex so. You said she there where?
My kitchen now.
What thing you dey do for her? Madam, you no go carry am throw away for your kitchen. You no go comot am from your kitchen.
So how I go take do that one now, eh? How I go take do am?
Anyway, me and you Kukuma know say for this house they get division of labor. That one na your cross. You no concern me. But God knows say if na me, person find me come my duty post, my department, come dey yarn this rubbish. Only God know wetin I for do that person. No come here, come dey insult me.
You help me now.
You say? You say?
Help me now.
So you feel come down like this, follow me talk. Not be me, you follow talk for here, so I be like something where they for inside soup. Sorry. Madam, go and carry out of your kitchen. I am going to mind my own duty post. Bye-bye. That cap no go fit you.
Someone who cared for you. You treat them in a wrong way. One person brings quiet and
Wakey, wakey. Breakfast is ready.
bring trouble every day. Soft heart you keep hurt. You don't mind how deep it feels.
All right.
Every time you shout or act, you break the little piece.
I made you breakfast.
Don't tell me you want my Versace in the kitchen.
Oh, I had to wear something to make you breakfast. Besides, you got me into this. Remember, I was not supposed to sleep out. You got knocked out, and I had to bring you home. Be grateful, bro. Come on, let's eat. I know you're hungry. Get up.
Where's my gold necklace? Where is it?
I used it to pay our bills.
You did what?
Come on, you had no money on you. Neither did I. So I had to, improvise. You can replace it. It's just a gold necklace. Come and eat. Food is ready. Bill.
You used my gold necklace to pay one freaking...
I mean...
Get out. Get out of my room. Go.
Are you serious?
Look, I don't want to lose it. Because if I lose it, you won't like my reaction. So just get out.
After the stress I went through last night to bring you home? Tell me you're joking. Tell
Get out! Did you sick? I said get out. Pull my Versace. Where this rubbish? Get out of my room! Get out!
Why are you being a brat?
Jesus Christ. My gold necklace. Get out!
I'm not going nowhere.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, fine. If I'm going to leave, pay me for my time.
Pull off my Versace first of all.
No?
What is wrong with this girl? Mom! Pull it off! How did you get in here in the first place?
Take this 50,000 to Elijah's farm. Tell them that they should supply 4 crates of eggs to us.
4 crates.
Then they should supply 10 crates to St. Anne's orphanage. If there's any outstanding, they should let me know.
Okay, ma. So they should supply 4 crates to us, then supply 10 crates. Okay, ma.
Thank you.
See, I'm gonna wound you.
Get out!
I'm gonna wound you.
Go! Get out!
Easy. Small thing what I do. Easy.
What is wrong now? What's going on?
Madam, tell your stupid son to pay me for time wasted. He wasted my time. I made breakfast in bed for this idiot.
Get out!
Get out!
Get out!
Get out!
Get out! useless. This is all your fault, right?
What did I do?
Why did you allow that stupid girl into this house without my consent?
How would I get your consent when you were dead drunk? Besides, you always bring in different girls here. How will I know which one to allow and which one not to allow?
Fool, I don't fair. Fool! Die in this condition.
From the same place, one found peace, one still needs grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange, one day soon he will change. One walk strong with gentle pride, one still fights a storm inside. But love does not give up or run. It waits until the healing comes. Mama keeps her hope alive, prays he finds the strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will become strong. He will change, he will change. Life can turn.
I need to apply them because people know they come more. Sorry. But if you cry, I will cry now.
Yes, now, that means you should kill me.
Sorry now, make your leg good now. Sorry. Madam, no cry, I will cry.
Sorry, not make me do you. Not make me do you. Madam, sorry. Wait, release my neck. Wait, calm down. Sorry. Madam, sorry. Madam, don't cry now. If you cry, I go cry, yo. If you cry, I go cry. Sorry. Now make your leg better, eh? Sorry. Sorry, eh?
Sorry.
Mom, I need some money. Like 500,000.
When you call some of these huge amounts as if it's paper money, where do you expect me to get that kind of money from now?
What kind of silly questions? Huh? Fine. Get it from one of my father's accounts. After all, your 100 account is account, so get it from there.
What of the money in your own account? You used it. 30 million naira that was in your account 2 months ago. You're telling me you used it on what?
Am I supposed to answer that stupid question now? Am I? Oh, if I spend money, I'll come out here and spend it, right? So please give me 500,000, please. I don't have time to waste.
I don't have the money.
I don't have it. So pick it for one of my father's accounts. Yes, just give it money. I need the money, right?
Like I said, I don't have that money to give you. Brian! Brian, give me my purse! Brian, give me my purse! Brian! Brian!
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost. Two lives grew from the same place. One found peace, one still needs grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange, even when the road feels strange. One day soon, he will change. One walk strong with gentle pride. One still fights the storm inside. But love does not give up or run. It waits until the healing comes. Mama keeps her hope alive, prays he finds the strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will become strong. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
You do like this, so your blood pressure go high again. No, it go high.
Give me my phone.
You do like this. Sorry.
Hello, Mom.
Please call the account officer. Brian took my ATM card.
Are you okay?
Just call the account officer before he starts withdrawing. He withdraw all the money.
Okay. Calm down, I'll call him. This boy.
Sorry. You know, I don't like to see you cry. Whenever you did cry, my belly go just say, "Stop!" It's not going to cry. I'm big. Don't cry again. Sorry.
Sweetheart, you don't look happy.
I'm worried about Mama. She called complaining that Brian took her ATM card.
Again?
I'm just tired of that boy. He has refused to walk or even learn a skill. I just don't know.
Okay, honey, I think we should pay Mom a visit and probably spend the weekend with her.
That won't be bad.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, do that then.
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost.
Give me some.
Two lives grew from the same place. one found peace would still need grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things.
Brian, what are those people doing in my house? Brian, you brought prostitutes to my house. You, get out.
Come on, Joy.
Get off. Go, your mother says train you.
Oh, wait. Wait, I'll take care of her, babe.
Get off from here. Get out of my house. Get off. Out of my house, not of you. Get out. You don't have home training.
Up like a frog. Up like a frog. Up like a frog. Up like a frog. Up like a frog.
I beg, help me. Help me, I don't mad. Help me.
So now call us.
Help me, mommy,
Now
I
call us
beg
in
now. You don't call her finish.
Hey, don't worry.
My baby.
Up like a frog. Up like a frog.
I'm going to punish you. What do you mean that you say, Mama? I'm going to punish you. Sorry, mommy. And you know, Grandma, she carry her crutches, so. Sorry, mommy. Sorry. Sorry, mommy. Sorry. Hey, mommy, sorry. Okay, Brian! I'm sorry, mommy. Sorry, let me stand up. Stand up, mommy. Sorry. Hey. Roland. What happened? No, he just pushed us. He pushed us.
Big bro. Come. So,
Come on, get out of here. Are you mad? Are you still dead? Get out.
what is why are you chasing my guests out? Why you chasing my guests out?
Do that to Mama.
How do you do that to my girls?
No, Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Listen, it's me.
How do you do that to her? Are you
Honey, would you?
mad? Are you mad? You mad? Have you lost it? How dare you do drugs in this house?
And what is wrong in doing drugs and enjoying myself in my
Everything
father's
is wrong
house?
with it. This is our father's house. You're not supposed to do that nonsense.
No. The only thing I see that is wrong here is you.
This is my father's house, and I have every right to do anything I want to do in my father's house.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Oh, so I see, Mom. You brought in your favorite son to come and torment and attack me in my own father's house, right? So this is it. Are you people not tired? Stop interfering in my business. Whatever I do in my life, it doesn't concern you, doesn't concern you, doesn't concern nobody. Leave me alone. Let me enjoy. Let this be the final warning. Don't disturb me again.
And where the hell do you think you're going?
Going to continue what you interrupted.
I said, come back here. I said, come back here.
By the time I come back, if I return to this house and you're in this house, you see.
Do you know you're the one spoiling this boy? Do you know you're the one spoiling this boy? What do you mean I should let him go? To go continue drugs?
Mom, my husband is right. I really think you need to move in with us for a while.
Oh, I can't leave this house for even one day. I'm afraid of what Ryan will turn this house into. Just look. This is my husband's house. I can't go anywhere. I can't leave this house because of a wayward son.
I've told you to leave this boy for me. Leave him for me. Leave him for me. I don't know if you're the one supporting him or...
He will change. He will change. Life can turn.
Please, calm down. Alright? Everything will be fine.
I'm tired.
I know you are. Just take it easy. Please, Mom. Please. It's okay. Hmm? It's okay, Mom. It's alright. Please. Okay. It's okay.
One walk strong with gentle pride. One still fights storm inside. But love does not give up or run. It waits until the healing comes. Mama keeps her hope alive. Praise it finds its strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will become strong. He will change. He will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange. One day soon he will change. But nothing, not the way knows his hidden pain. All the way they can explain, but arms are open wide.
Doctor! Doctor, leave my leg. Doctor, leave my leg.
Just bear with
Leave
me.
my
Just bear
leg.
with me, please.
Doctor, leave my leg.
I will soon be done.
Oh! Doctor, leave me. Doctor, leave me.
It's fine. Okay? It's fine. Alright. We'll stop here for today. Okay? Okay. It's okay. That will be all for today.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry. It's okay. That will be all. Okay?
It's too painful today.
Sorry about that. I'll go use something. Remember the supplement I told you about? Yes. So, okay. So this is it.
Okay.
So you take 1 tablet every day.
Okay.
It will help with your healing process. Please don't forget.
I won't forget.
Okay?
I won't forget. Thank you so much.
No,
Kate!
it's fine. No problem.
Kate!
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Take it to my room, eh? Put it in the bedside drawer. Make sure you remind me to take it.
I go remind you.
Then bring my phone when you're coming.
Okay. Well done, doctor.
Just take it easy on yourself,
Yes,
okay?
I will. I won't.
Okay?
Thank you.
No problem. I'll have to be on my way now.
Alright, thank you so much.
So please don't forget to take your drugs.
I won't forget. Right. Sorry for shouting.
No, it's just take good care of your okay?
Mommy, ma. What is it? Your room, mommy, your room, everywhere, your room. Sorry, your room, sorry, mommy, your room, everywhere, sorry, oh, hey. Your room, oh. I don't know what's happened. Everything, all your jewelry, all the gold, everything. I don't know what's happened. Which kind of earthquake? Hey! Open it! Listen. I beg now. Hey!
There's nothing wrong with her, no major thing. Okay? She just needs plenty of rest. And please let her stay away from anything that will stress her.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you were here when it happened. Who knows what would have happened if you weren't here. Thank you.
It's fine, okay? Just make sure you guys keep a close eye on her and make sure she stays away from stress completely.
That's fine,
I
doctor.
have to take my leave now, okay?
Oh, okay then.
She'll be fine, don't worry.
Thank you so much, doctor. Bye-bye. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Where's Brian?
I have no idea.
Where's Roland?
He's downstairs.
He took my jewelry. The jewelry my husband got me before he died. The jewelry I used to remember the love of my life. He has taken it all away. I have nothing left.
It's okay. It's okay.
I have nothing left to remember the man that loved me. What did I do? This boy was sent to torment me. Every day is something new.
Mommy, it's okay. It's okay, please.
This boy wants to ruin me.
It's okay, Mom, please.
He wants
Please.
to destroy my life.
Please. It's okay. For your health. Please.
What did I do?
Yeah, what are you still doing here today?
Hey, nothing really. I just want to collect the stuff you stole from Mama's room. Where is it?
I didn't get anything from my room.
Oh no, don't play dumb with me. No one is capable of stealing her money and her jewelries. Where is it?
Can't you listen? Do you have a ear problem? Are you dumb? I said I did not take... Fine. Since you've decided to block all my credit cards, I decided to make money the best way I can too. That's it.
By stealing from her?
I didn't steal from her. I took what belongs to me rightfully.
No, it doesn't belong to you. The only right you have is the one you worked for. Okay? It's either you get a job or you learn a skill, not by stealing from Mama. Where is it?
See who's talking. Because you're working in that company, you think it's your right, eh? Just wait. Wait till I'm ready for that company. You won't have a job to fall back to because everything in that company belongs to me and me alone. I'll have it and I'll do anything I want with it. That's it. And I will do anything I damn fit with it. And that's it.
Come on. Wait, are you mad? Are you mad?
You don't leave me now. No! You.
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost. Two lives grew from the same place. One found peace, one still needs grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things.
I'm just worried about everything. What would have happened if Dr. Steve was not here earlier? What would have happened to Mama? And the worst is that that fool is not even remorseful.
No, baby. There has to be some sort of way to make him change.
What else? What else? I'm just doing everything possible to change him. I don't want to lose Mama.
No, babe. Nothing will happen to Mama. We're here for her. And I think I should spend some more days here with her to aid her recovery.
I wouldn't have done without you.
I know, right? You didn't eat your food.
Day he will become strong. He will change. He will change.
Honestly, I'm fine. I don't feel like eating anything.
Okay, how about I make some coffee for you?
Is it necessary?
Yes, it is, my love. I can't watch you go to bed hungry. Let me just make something light, coffee, okay? I'll be right back.
Nobody nothing. Not the way knows his hidden pain. All the way they can't explain, but arms are open wide and true. Waiting for the day he breaks through.
Doctor, wait. Oh, doctor, wait. Doctor, wait. Sorry. Sorry, doctor. Sorry.
Just calm down, okay? Calm down, man.
Oh.
It's fine. Relax.
Sorry. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, doctor, it's my name.
I know. Just hold on.
Doctor.
Oh my, wait. I understand you are in pain. Okay, just hold on.
Doctor.
Fine. Okay, let's try and take a walk around.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go. Easy.
Wait. Small.
It's fine.
I feel as if it wants to dislocate.
Easy. Okay. Let's go. Okay. That's good. Turn around for me. Small. Easy. Slowly. You can do it. Slowly. Okay. One more. Okay.
Let me sit down.
Alright, it's fine. Sorry, okay? Sorry. You did really good. You did really great today.
Thank you, Sam. Those supplements that you gave me, they really helped. Thank you, Dr. Steve.
I'm really glad to hear that.
Thank you, doctor.
Just take it easy. Don't stress too much.
Okay.
Step by step. Okay? Lunch is ready.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's go and eat.
Okay.
No, don't worry. I would love to join you guys, but I have another appointment at the hospital.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Sorry for biting you.
It's nothing. It's okay. Sorry. Please just let me take care of her, okay? I will. Sorry. Yeah.
Uh,
You good, okay?
yes, thank
See you
you.
next time.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Bye now.
Don't be an pain.
Oh, wow. Sorry.
This thing is too painful.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
But the leg feels better.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
That's wonderful. Sorry, you'll be fine in no time.
Yes. Thank you.
Sorry. See?
Yes.
You're doing it.
Yes. I'm moving faster. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
No, you.
Okay, just. Okay.
One step forward. Just one step.
Okay.
And up.
Now this is the one that they do. You before. The makeup was powder, Vaseline, and pencil.
Right.
But now, there's cement, foundation,
Mommy.
all the building materials.
Mommy, everything has changed. Get with the times. You know, the face can't just be blank. You need to contour. You need to use the
that's
blush.
another one they used to call contour.
I know. Brian, you're right on time. Come join us for lunch.
It's what was it? What was it that you wanted to eat?
What is she still doing in this house? What? Oh, Roland, I see what you're doing. You brought her here to tame me down and monitor my every move, right? No, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. As far as this house is concerned, I am in charge. I'm the man of this house. I'm the father of this house. What's going to take my rightful place? Nobody. You brought her to tame me down, right?
Kate!
Yes, ma'am.
Please go to his room and go and ask him what he wants to eat.
Mommy, are you sure that one will answer?
Okay, ma.
Right.
So weird.
That's boy. Huh. You just be moving around like a spirit. Eh?
It's okay, Mommy. Eat your food.
Bye, Brian. I bet you go like chop anything.
You're mad. You're stupid. Idiot. Did I tell you I want any food?
Sorry, sir.
Let's say it.
Mommy.
Shut up! Who asked you to come into my room without knocking?
Mommy.
Who asked you?
Sorry, sir.
To hell with you. To hell with mommy. To hell with everybody in this house. To hell with your stupid food. Get out.
Sorry.
Get out!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Kate, what is it? Are you okay?
Yes, ma. Please excuse me.
I know that boy has harassed her now.
Yes, I'm sure he has done something really stupid. Excuse me, Mommy. Kate! Kate!
One feels lost. Two lives through from the same place. One found me. One still
I'm really sorry for whatever he did to you in there. Listen, I know you're a good person and you don't deserve whatever he did to you.
Thank you, ma.
It's alright. You'll be fine. Okay, take this cash, go to the estate mall and buy fruits for me. You know the sort of fruits that I like?
Yes, ma.
Yes, so please, go on now.
Ma, this one menu for fruit.
Would you please go get the fruits?
Yes, I will go and get it.
What are you doing?
I think I quickly finish with you.
No, that's fine. Don't you worry. I'll finish up. Just go get the fruits.
Ma, you go to stay with us well. I like you.
But love does not give up or run. It waits until the healing comes. Mama keeps her hope alive. Prays he finds his strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will become strong. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road.
Brian, what is wrong with you? Huh? Why would you do that to her? What wrong did she do that she came to ask you what she would like to eat?
Who are you talking to?
You!
You okay? Huh? Do I look like your mate? Or do I look like your husband that you can play around with? Listen, let this be the last time you come into my room without knocking and challenge me in my father's house. Don't try it again next time.
Shut up! Yes, I said shut up! Why do you want to destroy your life? Like really, what is all this nonsense? Can't you be reasonable for once?
How is my life your
Must it always be like this?
How is my life your business? Huh? Is it your concern? Whatever I do in my life, I'm an adult. I'm a full-grown man. I have the right to do anything I want to do. It doesn't concern you. So please don't interfere in my life, my business, or anything that has to do with me. I'm not your husband, so get out. Get out!
I don't blame you.
He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange. One day soon he will change.
But mommy, he needed to be talked to. He's very ill-mannered.
Still fights storm
Sorry. I'm very sure. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, mommy. It's okay. Mommy, eat.
Mama keeps her hope alive. Prays he finds his strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will be.
Kids! Kids! Kids!
What do you think you're doing?
What, I'm trying to have fun with you.
Don't you dare come close to me.
What did you say? Since you left your husband's house and come to my father's house, make love to you.
What? Hey! Don't you come close to me. Do not come close to me. Are you crazy? Where's the key?
What do you think I got?
What?
I have the keys. I'm not going to be hard. Do it small.
You're insane. You are insane. Do not come close to me. Brian, do not even try it. Are you mad? Where's the key? Where is the key?
Wait.
How dare you touch my wife?
This is the wife. Then take her home. What is she doing here?
You dare touch
As long as she's in this house, I will sleep with her. Nothing will happen.
What? Fuck.
Hold it. Please don't do this. Take her to the house. Take her to your home.
Please, leave.
I will sleep with her.
Leave.
I will sleep with her.
I will kill you. I will kill you.
Take her home. I will sleep with her. Nothing will happen.
This boy. You dare touch my wife. You dare touch my wife.
Please, if this gets out to be a disgrace, please let's settle. Please let's settle this and make it.
What's she doing here? Let her go to your house. As long as she's here, I will sleep with her. Nothing will happen.
God punish you there.
Please, just let it be, please, you know how he is. It's okay, please, I'm begging you to calm down, just calm down, honey, please.
Get your things, we are leaving this house.
What happened, Mom?
Get your things, we are leaving this house, now! I want to get something upstairs.
No, please. Don't worry, your wife will get the
So now what's in the play for this house with this?
Yes, sir.
Wait, so how this guy won't take sleep with him brother wife?
You dey talk that one small. You dey say sleep. You almost rape her.
Hey!
I no fit even talk her in the heavy for my mouth.
Rape? This one na cause. Doesn't nothing where anybody go tell me. This one na better cause.
Better cause?
Person wey cause this person kneel down, naked, give am better cause for head.
You know wetin I feel say fit this Oga Brian? Make her just carry am comot for here kpata. They go just carry am go very far place. Not people for this state o, another state. Lock am inside one room, throway key until the brain go get sense.
My sister, I see wetin don spoil. Like this guy, you no get remedy. Nothing wey you fit do am. Me, I go suggest say they go just find any way, any means, like they just carry him brain come back, like factory resets. They just bring him back.
How they say they do factory resets for human being?
My sister, na by flogging though.
Hey!
Na by flogging.
You don't talk this one. Only this thing you don't talk when be sensible things is money. We'll just carry and go those white made church. Flog am. Make sense. Enter your head.
So me know they talk sense before.
You not get now. Make a quick go kitchen and
they come.
I they come.
He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange.
Honey, you need to calm down. You're doing exactly what Brian wants you to do. Isn't it obvious he wants me out of the house? So
What if he had his way? What if he had his way? Have you thought of that? I just don't want you on the same roof with that boy. No, I don't want that.
Yeah, but what about Mom?
Mom
don't you care about her?
She can come here to stay with us. It's very simple.
Sweetheart, you know her stand on that. You know.
Babe, you're not going back to that house. That's final. You're not. let's not push it. You're not going back to that house.
Oh, okay. Whatever you say, husband.
Kate! Kate! Kate!
Yes, sir. Sir? Yes, sir.
What took you so long, Kate?
I mean, they do something for inside kitchen.
Listen, if I call you again and you delay, I'll beat you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Give me water to drink. Hey! Come. Turn around. I said turn around. Turn. I said turn around. Turn around!
Sir?
I will slap you. Turn around that face up.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
That's how I like the sound of it. Follow me to my room.
Sir?
I said follow me to my room now.
I mean, they do something for inside kitchen, no?
Are you mad?
Am I the one you're talking to right now?
No, yes. No, sir. Sorry, sir.
You stupid.
No, sir.
Ordinary maid like. Because I mistakenly touched your bum here. You're saying, are you mad? Stupid somebody. Nonsense girl. Maid like you. My family is trying to help your life and then you're saying, are you mad? You need to throw out of this house. Eh? If I chase you, never come back to this. If I see around this gate, I will destroy you. Fool. Idiot. Nonsense human being. Dirty maid. You're doing something. God will punish you. Family died and left us to take care of you, and then you're telling me you swim because I want to just manage you in my room for a few seconds. You're dead, then you're a fool. If I get out.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Not that way. Get out.
I'm going to the kitchen, sir.
Get out. Use this door.
Get out!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Oga Brian!
I will kill you.
Oga Brian!
You're a fool.
Oga Brian, I beg, open the door!
Punish you.
My food dey fire! My food no go no! Oga Brian! Oga Brian, I beg now! I beg now!
This is your father's house.
I don't do it.
Go to your father's house and cook. It's my father's house. I'm the one in charge. If you spoil that door,
sorry, sir. I beg, open the door, sir.
God will punish your father. Punish your generation. Because I mistakenly touched him when he came to me. Should be proud that I won't touch you. Or ask you to come. Have you ever slept in that kind of room?
Life can turn and rearrange.
I beg now.
One day soon he will change. Nobody nothing. Not the way knows his hidden pain. All the way they can explain, but arms are open wide and true.
What's he doing, Oga Brian? Hi. This one wicked. No wahala, eh? You know we fit sleep for here, eh? My pockets stay free. You fit come, no now. Okay. Ha! If I won't help you. See, man, tell you. This only can put it on, eh? If you be the person, eh? You don't want to make this car fit you. make you stay here, make mosquito finish your life. If you change your mind, just come.
Get! Hey, God. Get! This girl! Get, I've told you with the money, you should come and help me now. What's wrong with this girl? Eh? Breakfast is not even... Hey, God, where's this girl gone to? I've told this girl if she's going anywhere, she should let me know. God, please don't let me fall. Get! Get! Polycarp! Get! Where could this girl have gone to? I've told her not to go. Jesus. Get! Get! Jesus. What happened to you? Did you sleep outside? You slept here?
Yes, ma'am. No, God locked me for outside for now.
Why? What did you do?
Oh, I don't do anything, no. I don't do anything. If they make I follow and go your room, I go talk, say no. I don't go be follow you go your room, oh. Now you go lock me for outside.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Come inside, eh? Sorry. Come and take your bath. Sorry. The mosquitoes bite you. Sorry. This boy won't kill me. I'm so sorry. Why are you so mean and wicked? Eh? Brian, what happened to you? This is not the Brian I gave birth to. This is not the Brian I raised. What is happening with you?
Nothing's happening to me, Mom. Nothing. I'm perfectly fine. Yes. She stood in my way. Why would she do that? Who is she? Ordinary maid. She's lucky I didn't hit her freaking head. She's mad.
Brian, you locked her out to sleep outside. What if something had happened to her?
I don't freaking care, Mom. I don't freaking care.
Well, you need to care. You know that I don't play with Kate. We are all she has. She has no family left. Next time you treat her in such a way, you won't like my reaction.
You threatening me? Huh?
No, no. I just told you. I didn't threaten you.
Shut up! You're threatening me. No. Do you know who I am? Do you know? Go and ask her. Eh? If I descend on you, you will not like it. Nonsense. You're threatening me. Go to the jungle and ask who I am. King of the Colos Kingdom. If I land you, I'll second leg for you. You're threatening me. You don't like what I do. Like you're mad. Nonsense. Both you and the baby, you're mad together. Stupid people. Stop it. 1 hour. She tries rubbish with me, I swear. I'll kill her, kill you, kill everybody in this house. Nonsense. Try me again, I'll break your second leg. You don't use because you're using a wheelchair. Rubbish. Useless. What
kind of is this? I just told him, did I shout? He now started. If I wasn't for your mother, I would have said, Waka.
It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you acting cold and worse? It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt.
Mom, I want to talk to you about something.
I'm listening.
So, after our last discussion, everything that's been happening in this house, I went back to my room and I thought about everything, and I think I have a solution, and you like it.
What is the solution?
Give me my own share of my father's property.
You said?
You heard me clearly. Look, Mommy, if you give me my own share, I won't trouble anybody in this house again.
Brian.
Yes.
How many properties were left to you in your father's will?
About 3.
And how well did you manage them?
Look, Mom, those properties were worthless. So I sold them off. And if you just give me my own share, I won't trouble anybody again, okay? Besides, Daddy has a lot of property. Let us enjoy it. I don't know what you're doing as if you don't even have head.
We should enjoy them.
Mm-hmm.
Flex them. If your brother and I were enjoying and flexing all the properties, like you say, would you have a roof over your head?
Mom, you like talking long talk, eh? You know, all this thing, just talking long talk. Give me my own share, let me go. I won't trouble anybody. Look, I have a dream car that I want to buy. Yes. And I've been dreaming about that car for so long. Give me my share, let me go and buy it. And I won't trouble you again. That's all I want. Is it too much to ask?
That will be over my dead body.
Oh, let me kill you then. I'm not gonna kill you today, okay? Over your dead body. I'll kill you very soon. You dead, buddy? We'll see about that soon. My dream car. I'm gonna have it.
Kate. Kate.
Yes, Ma.
Please get my phone. Thank you. Thank you. Doctor, good day. Yes, I wanted to find out what time my appointment is tomorrow. Yes, I'm supposed to come in. Okay, so I should tell the driver to be here by 10 then. 10 a.m. All right, Doc. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Oga, these are the documents to the property. Yes, everything is complete. Everything.
Okay, before we go, I have to go for inspection before payment will be made.
Oh, fine, no problem. Let's go now. So let's go and check it now, so you can pay me the money quick.
Yeah,
Let's
but
go.
before we go, I have to call my lawyer to join us.
Lawyer?
Yeah.
Why? Everything is there. The document is there. You just go and check it. You pay me so you can quickly.
I know, but I have to call him to join us. You know,
So
I can't.
what are you calling lawyer for again
This
now?
is my work. We know things we are facing in this work.
That's why I say me and you will go and check the property. This is the document. Everything. You pay me money and you go.
The way you are hurrying me, are you sure this is your property?
My house. So why do I have all the documents if it's not my house?
Okay,
Let's
fine.
go.
Since you don't want me to call my lawyer, let me call my colleague. I think he's
Nobody.
close
Let's
by.
just go. Call him on the way. He's ahead. Let's go.
You don't have to be in a hurry.
This is one of my properties. I have plenty of ones. If you like this one, that's the document. You pay me and then there's space behind.
What's going on here? Eh? What's going on here?
They are my visitors.
Eh? Who are these people?
My visitors.
Okay, what are you doing here?
We are realtors. We are here to inspect this property.
I don't know what he told you. This is my house. It's not for sale. You people are here. You're looking at me. I'm going to call the police now. Oh yeah, give me my documents before you go. Give me my documents. Oh yeah, go. You people should go. Go.
Wait.
Go.
We'll check the other property. Wait.
You people should go away. Go.
Have you seen what you've cost now? Have you seen? If I allow my very good buyers to go now without paying for this house, what is even wrong with you?
Brian,
you are pushing me to the wall, oh. Mom, you are pushing me, oh.
Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange.
What have I done to deserve all this? I have screamed, I have yelled, I've shouted, I've prayed, I've begged. I've done everything. I don't know what else to do. This boy wants to drive me crazy. Sometimes I just feel like my heart just wants to jump out of my chest. I feel like I'm going crazy. So if my appointment hadn't been cancelled and I didn't come home unexpectedly, that's how this boy would have sold this house.
I mean, how can you call yourself a grown-up? Is that not madness? You want to sell your father's house? When you're supposed to hustle like a man and help your mother, you want to sell your father's house?
See, I'm
Is that not being crazy?
I'm losing hope daily. Losing hope by the day.
Mama, please, your tears is affecting me. I promise I'm going to do something. Please.
Mommy, for your health. For your health, please just stop crying. Please. Please.
One person all the time.
It's okay,
I
Mom.
don't know, maybe.
All the time, one person.
I think maybe I should just, I don't know, should I just die for him?
No,
Mama.
Die. Please don't say that. Please, Mommy, don't say that. Please.
Die for who? You walk down for.
Sweetheart.
Maybe when I die, he'll be happy.
No, Mama, stop it. Please, don't say such things. Please, we'll figure it out. Please don't
You want to
cry.
sell your father's house.
Mommy, stop crying. Please, I beg you. Please.
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost. Two lives grew from the same place. One found peace, one still needs grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things.
Go back to where you're coming from.
Open this door for me now. This is my father's house.
Go back to where you're coming from. You're making noise.
Please open the door for him.
Man, leave me to handle this boy. Leave me. Let me handle him.
Honey, please, he's disturbing
Open this door now.
He's going to learn the hard way. Can you take Mama to... See, if I come out, I'll slap you.
Open this door for me.
Just take Mama upstairs. Take Mama upstairs first. Just go. Mama, go upstairs and sleep. You need to sleep. It's bedtime. Take Mama upstairs. I'm coming to meet you people.
What I will do to you, eh? What I will do to you, eh?
My girls. Just go back to where you're coming from. It's very simple. Or you can sleep. See. Anyway, let me just.
Open this door now. Open this door. So, it's you, Abi? Is you that locked me in this?
Come on, don't even try.
Is you that locked me in this house, Abi?
I have better things to do with my time this morning. Better be useful to yourself.
You think I will let this? You think I will let this slide, Abi? You think I will let this slide? You think I will let this slide? You go back to your house. See, go back to your house and leave my father's house alone. Go back to your house. Go back to your house. Go back to your house. Leave my father's house alone for me. Go back to your house. See, I will make your life unbearable. I'll make your life be living here for you. Better go back to your house now. I'm telling you. Go back to your house now. You come here, you've been coming like this day. Go back to your place. I will give it to you, not anything. I'm not something I do. If I have time and you see what I will do to you, go back to your house. I have told you, leave my father's house for me. It's my father's house. I am the one that will do everything. Go back to your house. Go back to your house. I'm telling you. Go back. You think I'm going to do? Give me. Give me my father. Go with police. Give me my father. Give me my father. Give me my father. Come on, you see me. You see me. Go back to your father's house. Come to your father's house. Tell me. You don't want me to receive you. You're maltreating me in my father's house. This is my father's house.
It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you act?
I swear, in my father's house, I will give it to you. See yourself. It's not anything that you see. Mommy, you so this is how you're proving your love to me, Abi. You say you love me. You say you love me, and you were in this house. You don't lock me outside. I slept outside, Abi. I swear to God, I wouldn't look at you. You slept in your bed. You were okay, enjoying. Your son and your clean love was outside. Sleeping outside. Look at my body. Look at mosquito. In my own father's house. My father gave this house for me to enjoy. And you are maltreating me. I swear what I would do to all of you in this house. What I would do. Look at you. You're enjoying Ronald's wife, Abi. You're taking side. Is that your favorite son, Abi? Me. You say you took care from small and you love me. Look at that. You're maltreating me. In my own father's house. What I would, all of you be ready because I will make this house a living hell for all of you. I slept outside. My own father's house. Do you know who I am? Do you know me? You will see all of you. You will see in this house. Don't come back. I will deal with all of you. You will see in this house. You will see anything guys. You will not be outside. In my father's house, we'll see who's the man of this house. We'll see.
Mommy, please pay him no mind. Please, I beg you. For your health. Just ignore him. Ignore him, okay? Please, Mommy. Please. Please, I beg you. Please. No tears, mommy. Please don't cry. Please. Mommy. Mommy, it's okay. Please, mommy, please. It's okay. Just ignore him, mommy.
I need to do something fast to put Roland in his place. People like this in my father's house. Hello? Please, I need some supply. Just come to the regular spot. I'll give you money. I have money. No. Wait. Hello? No, I'll give you. I'll give you. Supporting him in my father's house. Okay.
Your food already, they dining. Okay, sir. Sir? Sir, I will do something for inside kitchen. Sir?
Close.
I did do
Come
something.
close.
Sir? Sir!
What is wrong with you? Eh? Stop crying. Stop it. I really enjoyed myself. And I hope you did too. Stop crying now. Look, you should be glad I gave you a piece of me. Go out there, many girls are looking for my thing. I want to come and give it to them. I give it for free and good job. Stop crying now. Hey, sis. Do you have any money? See, I'll give you back here. Something very important, I'll give you back here. You don't have it here. You will have bank account. Hey! If you tell anybody about this, anybody, I'll cut you, tie you down, I'll cut you with fingernails after the oven. For that, go to me. Go to us. Go to Megan. I'll kill all your family members if you say anything but Get out. Tell anybody.
Mommy. Yes.
Kate,
Yes, ma.
are you okay?
Yes, ma. I'm very fine, ma.
Talk to me. Is everything all right?
Yes, mommy. Mommy, I'm fine.
If this is about Brian and something he has done, I am very sorry. I am sorry for whatever he has done. I want to thank you for staying with me, taking care of me. We are hoping and praying, looking forward to when Brian gets better, starts behaving better.
Okay, mommy. Yes, ma. Do you need anything?
I came to see what you were thinking of preparing for dinner later.
Okay, mommy.
So, I guess just take your time.
All right, ma.
Someone who cared for you, you treat them in a wrong way. One person brings quiet and peace, you bring trouble every day.
Kate. Kate. What's in the happen now? What's in happen now? This afternoon you don't stand here. They cry like person when Pekin die. Follow me talk now. What's in the happen? Or Gabriel beat you.
Nothing, I am fine.
How you go tell me say nothing, you are fine? You there here, they cry. They shed tears like person where the husband pursue come off for house. Follow me talk now. You know say I like you. What's up? I see they talk, you see they cry. I see they talk, you see they cry. Oh yeah, come. Come, I go console you for my room. But did they pay you? Come now, come.
Don't touch me.
I help, I won't help you. Anything, you know, say if you discuss with me.
Don't touch me.
Man, no touch you.
So, Mom, this is the blueprint for Kusi project. I just thought I should show you.
Wow. This is so well detailed. Neatly drafted.
Ethel is a pro when it comes to drafting. I'm just glad we employed her.
After all your father did for Mr. Adams, I'd expect him not to employ a quack to handle the project.
Well, he's just a good man. Not everyone remembers that. Just separated the whole thing. The schedule.
You know, I would have thought that this, if they had use it on an Excel sheet.
No, Mom, that's old. That's old fashioned. That's
okay, so I'm old school.
I didn't say that. So far we're making progress. So just to send it to them and then we're good to go.
Well, that will make a lot of sense. Yeah.
I need some money to buy fuel for my car.
Okay, how much?
What do you mean, how much? Come, are you not ashamed of yourself? You're looking for money to buy fuel. Are you not supposed to work hard for yourself to buy what you need? No, come and suck breast now. Or let me go outside and buy naan for you. Since you're a child.
Is it your money?
Is
it your money? It's my father's money and I have every right to spend it as I want.
Can you imagine this shameless boy? So if father had lavished money the way you're lavishing it, you would see money to spend, right? You see money to spend. My friend, get out of here. As you can see, we were busy when you walked in.
Mom.
We're looking for money to buy petrol.
You're hearing what you're saying.
Please concentrate.
First of all, you stopped my allowance, Mom. And now you won't give me money for my basic needs, Abi?
Okay, please pay attention.
Shall see.
Mom, please don't say that. This fool is looking for money to buy drugs, not any petrol. Allow me to follow this boy up. I know how to treat drug addicts. Leave him. He's not looking for money to buy any petrol. He's looking for money to buy drug. He hasn't left this house since because he has no money. Let him keep lazying around instead of to work hard. He asks money to barb. He asks money to recharge his phone. He will ask money to fuel his car. And he gives him that money, now he will lavish it. Mom, please pay attention here. Let me show you the second segment. Don't even stop.
One walk strong with gentle pride. One still fights storm.
Does it feel better here?
But love does not give up or run. It waits.
Your keys? It's on the bedside table in our room.
Checked everywhere, it's not there.
But I saw it there this morning. Okay, let me go check it. Sorry, Mommy. Okay. I'll just check it and get it.
He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange.
No. Honey?
Okay.
Brian left in my car.
I hope this boy's not up to something again.
This boy. Let him not try anything stupid. Let him not do anything stupid.
But why would he do that? Mama, please, calm down.
He's not taking his calls. God knows I'm going to jail him. No amount of begging, I'm going to jail that boy.
Sweetheart.
Can you imagine? Oh. God save you.
I've sent it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Send the money.
Yeah, check.
Check. Network.
Check, you see it.
Okay, I've seen it.
The key?
Yeah, the car key. Nice doing business, it's you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Yeah, bye-bye.
I told you people to go upstairs. Go and sleep. Take Mama to her room. It's already late. She's dozing off. Mama, take Mama upstairs.
Good evening.
Where's my dinner? I'm very hungry.
Where's my car keys?
Huh? Car?
Car? No drive come. Nah, taxi carry and come back.
Oh, car. Take me to my room now.
He came back in a taxi.
Taxi?
Where's my car key?
Hey!
What's it?
Where's my car key?
What's it?
Baby.
Where's my car key?
Brian, where's it? Baby.
Where's my car key?
No.
Where's my car key?
Baby, no, the key. Where's his car key? Baby, no, please. Please.
If I
Where's his car key?
No, Mom. No, please. Not until he returns my car. What nonsense.
He has been there for 2 nights already.
I don't care.
I know that what he did, he deserves to rot there, but he's my son. And your only brother. Please, son. Please do it for me.
Honey, my love, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. No matter what, he's still your brother.
No.
Please, you have to bail him out of the police station.
No. To err is human. To return my car is divine. He sold my car, he should bring it back. I'm not listening to anybody.
So it's because of a car you want to leave him there? Fine.
Stupid boy.
I'll sign out some money and replace your car for you. Since nobody of you listens to me anymore.
Please, don't do that, okay? You know I listen to you. I've never ever disobeyed you in my life. Don't try to put me on the spot now. Very stupid boy that feels no one can talk to him. Imagine selling my car for peanuts. It's okay, I'll bail him out. It's fine. Very stupid boy. Selling my car for nothing. Because he wants to do drugs.
No, please, it's okay. We already agreed he will bail him out. It's okay, Mommy. It's okay.
Babe?
Mommy, I'll be back.
Sweetheart?
One walk strong with gentle pride. One still fights a storm inside. But love does not give up or run. It waits until the healing comes. Mama keeps her hope alive. Prays he finds strength in time. Nothing stays the same for long. One day he will become strong. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange.
I called you all here to say something very important. While I was at the cell, I had a vision that changed me and my perception about life generally. Mom, I am not even worthy to be called your son. I'm not. Because I have lived a stupid, useless, and worthless life all this while. I've disrespected you countless times. I have never treated you like a mother for once. And I'm supposed to love you. I'm supposed to care for you. I'm supposed to be there for you every single day, but
I have never been there for once. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom. Please. Find a place in your heart. Or in your hearts to forgive me. Please, Mom. Big bro. All you have shown me is love, care, and affection like an elder brother would do, but I have never respected you for once. I'm sorry. You've been my father since Daddy left us, but I've never been a good kid brother. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. For my heart, I am so sorry. Pal, I am so ashamed to even look at your face. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of my attitude towards you. Your family. I was supposed to love, care, and respect you, but I did the unthinkable. I thought about touching you. That's a taboo. I'm sorry. I don't know what got into my head. I don't know. All the evil spirits controlling me all this while made me do silly things, but I regret everything. Please forgive me. Please. I want to thank you all for standing by me throughout this horrible moment. You never abandoned me for once. You never gave up on me. You stood by me all through. Only family would do that. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. While I was at the cell, a cellmate made me encounter God. And since then, my life has changed. I'm a new leaf now. I belong to God. God is all I want. God is all I seek. God is the air I breathe. I don't want anything. I don't want to do drugs. I don't want to do nothing anymore. I just want to love God every day of my life. I'm a changed person now. Yes, I am. So, every day I have my quiet moment with God. Because He is the Alpha and Omega. I surrender my all to Him and Him alone. It's time for my quiet moments with God. I have to go and pray now. If you'll excuse me, forgive me once again.
Is that Brian?
It feels so real.
I feel chills running up and down my spine. Was that Brian?
Well, I will advise we don't rejoice yet. For some reasons, I'm not convinced with all these, I call it act or something. This dude is up to something. I don't believe this. But let's hope. Let's hope he's being truthful. Brian, encounter with God. Okay. See to that.
Yes? Who's it coming? Big bro, you should have called me to come and meet you outside now. You should have bothered yourself to come in.
No, that's no problem. I just want to know, yeah? What you said out there. Do you mean it?
I mean every single word. I mean it. I belong to Jesus now. Jesus has arrested me. I am his vessel. I mean every word. God is my survivor. God is my savior. He's my alpha and my omega right now. I want to make heaven.
Wow. Come here.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I just want to make you proud. Make mommy proud. Make daddy in heaven proud. That's why I surrender my life to Jesus.
Come.
Thank you, big bro.
You don't know how happy we are. I mean, this is the moment we all have been waiting for. A day like this. And it's finally here. So we'll start by going to the office tomorrow. I have this project I'm working on, so we can work on it together.
Seriously?
Yeah.
People, thank you so much, God. God has indeed proven himself to be the Alpha and Omega. Thank you. He just showed me that he has really accepted me. Thank you, big bro. Thank you. I'm ready. I am born ready to start work. I'm born again now.
I'm really surprised this is happening, Brian.
Thank you. So first thing tomorrow morning, I will get my shirt ready and wake up very early so I won't go to work late.
Oh yeah, sure. Because we're leaving very early. Say 7 o'clock.
I'll get ready before then. Thank you, big bro. God bless you. Thank you, Lord.
This is good.
It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you acting?
Brian, be fast. I'm gonna be late.
Is he really going to the office with you?
What is getting ready? Brian! Brian! How are you?
My love. Look nice.
Thank you. Be fast, we are late.
You're so smart. Yeah,
Thank
he
you,
is.
Mom.
That's my husband.
It's for breakfast, though.
How's the night?
Fine, thank you.
Sweetheart.
It's getting better.
Yes, it is.
Have a pleasant day, honey.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Brian. Nice. Nice. Let's go have breakfast. They couldn't even wait.
I'm so happy.
I know you are. I'm happy too.
Alright, easy.
It feels better.
Better, you sure? That's good. That's
We
really
can do
good.
it faster. We can move faster.
Faster? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, wait.
Easy. Alright. Any pain? Any extra pain?
No, the pain has reduced.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What about the joint? Any pain?
No, just small.
Just small.
At that side.
Okay. Let's go around.
Mama keeps her hope alive.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Nothing stays
You're
the
really doing
same
great. You're really doing great. Why don't we rest?
No, I don't want to rest.
Are you sure? Can we go some more?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Can I try to stand on my
Alright. Let's try that. Let's try that. How do you feel?
own? Doctor, hold on.
Okay. Alright, let's go sit down. Okay?
No.
Come, let's. Are you sure? Don't stress too much, just easy. Okay. Alright, fine. Let's have a seat.
But the way knows the shit and pain. All the way they can't explain, but arms are open wide.
Right?
Waiting for the day he breaks through.
That's really good. That's really good. Okay. Anything?
Just
Okay, just take it easy for now, okay?
Let's continue.
You still want to go? Are you sure? Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Okay, that's good. Like that. Okay. For yourself? Alright, let's go.
Okay.
You see, this is really good. I'm really glad. Yes. Better, easy.
Let me sit down.
Alright. Have your seat. I must say, you look really excited today. And you did well. With any luck, you will start working without having to touch your crutches.
I'm actually very happy today, Doctor. My family is at peace now.
Really? That's really good to hear. That's really, really good to hear.
I can't wait to start working without crutches. I really can't wait.
At this pace you are going, trust me, no time.
Oh.
At this pace, no time.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's fine. I'm really glad you are doing much better.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
No problem. Just don't stress yourself so much, okay?
Okay.
Just little, you'll get better.
If my daughter-in-law is here, she's taking care of me. So very soon I'll be able to go on evening strolls.
That's really good to hear. But don't stress so much. Okay? Step by step. We'll get there.
Yes.
That's good.
Thank you.
Hey babe, you're back.
How are you?
How's your day today?
Yeah, fine.
I missed you.
I missed you more.
I'll just take your bag upstairs.
Okay, that's fine.
My love.
How was your day?
Good. Brian is catching up, I guess.
Oh yes, it's smart.
Nice. Okay, how about you come eat? You know you didn't have breakfast in the morning. You just left in a hurry.
Just got in.
Sweetheart, eat something. Okay, eat and then you go freshen up. Okay? How about that? Sit. I'll bring your food, baby.
Yes, hello. Yeah, what's up, bro? Oh, yeah, sure. Yes. I will send you all the documents now, okay? Please, I beg you. Make sure you do a good job, a very good job. I don't want no mistakes, no error. All right. I'll send it right away.
Oh, well, Mom, I would love to be honest, but I need to concentrate on the CSOI project. It's really dear to me. Maybe after that, I can stay as long as you want.
I still think you can stay a while at it. Yes, it doesn't change anything, Mom, right?
Okay, you won. I'll stay back then. I'll stay back. But then I noticed you're still sleeping. I hope there's no problem.
Yeah. I'm fine, nothing is wrong.
Brian, are we together?
Yes, sure.
Brian?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. All right, I'll stay back, guys.
Yeah. Are you serious? Please tell me you're joking.
I know they joke. Oh. I know. What do they think? When you rape me finish, you don't even use rubber. What do they think? Don't scatter my life finish. I know they joke. Oh.
You have to find a way to remove this thing and don't tell anybody about it.
God forbid. God forbid bad thing. I no go fit remove anything. No. I no go fit do that kind thing. No. I no go fit do that kind thing. No. God forbid bad thing.
Do you realize who you're talking to? Have you forgotten that I'm the boss of this house? I'm giving you instruction and you're challenging me? Are you okay?
Brian, this thing what you did to me so. This thing what you did to me say God no day forever you go regret am. You go regret this thing what you did to me so. I mean promise you go regret am. You go regret this thing what you did to me so.
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost. Two lives grew
Kate?
from the same place.
Are you crying?
One
No,
found
something entered my eye.
one still
Okay.
needs grace.
Are you sure you're alright?
Different.
Alright then. I'd like to have vegetables, chicken, and white rice for dinner. So you boil the rice and other things. Get it ready for me. I'll be back in a bit. You're fine, right?
Yes, my dear, fine.
Alright then. Go on.
He will change. Life can turn and rearrange. Even when the road feels strange. One day soon he will change. One walks strong with gentle pride. One still fights a storm inside. But love.
That's what I'm saying, Mr. Adams. That's not possible. I made sure that all documents were confidential. Exactly. No third party as agreed on the contract. Honestly, I don't understand. Can you just give me some time, okay? I'll sort everything and revert, please. I cannot tell. I can't tell, sir. Please. Mr. Adams, can you... Hello? Hello? Oh my God. What's this? What's going on? Oh God, please, no. We've gone too far to lose everything. It's just me. What's going on? So it was all an act. It was you.
How do you bat into my room without knocking? Just so easy to fool all of you. Well, I enjoyed it while it lasted.
How dare you! Mom!
crying?
Hmm? What's the matter?
He ruined everything. We have lost the CSOI contract due to breach in third party. The money, the time that I put in for this contract, all gone. All because of Brian. I begged, I pleaded, but...
Is what your brother said about you true?
Point of correction. This impostor here is not my brother. You think I don't know you adopted him? I have known all along. But I quietly waited for the perfect time to strike him for being such a better son to you. Now that I'm done ruining his life, how does it make you feel?
Mama? 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 Mama?
Some days are bright, some days are cold. One heart is steady, one feels lost. Two lives grew from the same place. One found peace, one still needs grace. Mama whispers every night, hoping he will see the light. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but she still believes in better things. He will change, he will change. Life can turn and rearrange, even when the road feels strange.
Let's go take him to the rehab.
I hope it works this time.
Kate, what's wrong with you? Kate, are you pregnant?
When? Who?
Na him too have. He sleep with me. He go tell me say he cannot tell anybody. Say if I tell anybody, say he go kill me. Mommy, I be one run no. If you want run, I go say if I run, who go carry me? Only you that can.
What are you talking about?
Okay, prayers.
Kate, I am sorry. I am sorry for the trauma you've been through. If you want to press charges, I will support you. I will stand by you. But Just know, this is my grandchild, and I love you both dearly. I will take care of you, kid. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, don't cry.
It's okay.
Someone who cared for you. You treat them in a wrong way. One person brings quiet and peace. You bring trouble every day.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry for everything I've caused you. I'm sorry. Please. Please forgive me. Please.
I forgive you. Thank you. I forgive you. It's okay. It's okay.
I cannot promise you anything, but I must always be here for this child. I will always be a good father. Good father.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you acting cold and worse? It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. The way you treat people wrong feels like dark on every side. A heart that could be soft and warm now hides the pain inside. Someone who never harmed you, you push them like they're nothing. Your heart turned hard too fast, and now the hurt keeps coming. It's a good fight, but not right. You bring the hurt, not the light. You forget the ones who loved you first. Why you acting cold and worse? It's a